Hey everybody, my name is Betsy Lafferty and school law is one of my very first classes in this program and I am excited to get started. Just a little bit about myself. I am starting my 14th year in education overall, and this will be my 11th year teaching at Windham Elementary School. Windham Elementary is a part of the Little River Windham School District. We are often either one of the largest 1As or smallest 2As in the state. This year we landed in that 1A class. I am a K-6 physical education and health teacher. I also do some title work with math classrooms, which I really find enjoyable. Beyond teaching, I also coach at the high school level. I am a wife and I am a mother to 3 kiddos. Braxton will be a freshman, Avery is a 5th grader, and Dempsey is a 3rd grader. So we are kept on our toes and it's always fun and busy around our house. I am also born and bred in Little River. My husband and I both graduated and decided to move our family back, and we really enjoy being Redskins. Windham Elementary's environment. Windham Elementary is a wonderful place to work. We just have a really great principal. He's supportive. He helps us achieve great things. He lets us push some boundaries, but he also reels us back when we need to. Our building is full of energy. We are truly a team. We see everyone as part of us, whether you're a teacher, a para, a cook, a custodian. We just really try to do what our principal's motto is, which is do what's best for kids. And Windham Elementary, in my opinion, is just a really, really great place to work. When I look at what I think an administrator's role is with school law, I think of a couple different things. I feel like they need to know board policies and things in the negotiated agreement so that they can handle personnel issues or issues regarding things happening in school. I also believe privacy is a big deal. We have to know what information can be shared and if any information really can be shared at all. And then also student issues are a big deal these days. Whether things are done or allegations are made, what we can really do with students and do with students' property are things that administrators, I believe, have to deal with. Some examples of those issues might be a grievance brought by a staff member, or a policy maybe that was broken, or things having to do with plan time. All of those issues for an administrator would probably be spelled out in the negotiated agreement or board policies. So I believe those are some examples of those. Also, if an administrator would need to search a student's locker or take a cell phone, those are examples where we'd have to know what the law states, how far we can go, and what information or articles that we could look for or maybe take from students. And then lastly, IEPs, medical information. Those are all things that we would need to know if they could be shared with all staff, if they need to be shared on a need-to-know basis, or if some of those things possibly couldn't be shared at all. So I think those are all examples of things administrators might have to deal with regarding school law. My personal critique. I honestly am not super knowledgeable about a lot of these issues. I feel like I might know some of the basics, but I don't really know details or specific things in many instances, so I have a lot of room to grow, and I really hope this class can do that. I do think I have a little bit more knowledge of board policies. This is just because I am a member of the negotiation team, and so I've had to study some of those things in order to be able to ask questions and to answer questions for other staff members or administrators. So that's something that I'm a little bit more familiar with. And then I just know that I'm going to have to increase my knowledge on these things if I really want to be able to do the right thing and not guess at what I'm doing. My proposed plan for gaining more knowledge is really taking this class serious and hopefully learning from all of you, but also to talk to my administrators, see what laws they feel are being applied the most or what situations are happening most frequently, so I can be aware of that. I can also, get the newest copies of board policies and really go over those and see if there's anything in there I miss or don't understand so that I could ask questions. And then also just kind of, see what's going on in the world, what's happening in the education realm, and what are some things that I need to be aware of that maybe are trends, and that way that I am ready to maybe tackle those or ready to ask more questions so that I can understand. I'm just really excited to get going. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you, getting to know you, and most importantly, learning so I can become a principal someday, but also just a better educator. Thanks. Have a good one.